Hey everyone! Today I'm going to break down the basics of central tendency, that's mean, median and mode, in the simplest way possible. These are essential concepts for understanding data and statistics. So let's start with the mean. The mean or average is when you add up all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. For example, if you have test scores of 80, 85 and 90, you add them up to get 255 and then divide by 3, which gives you a mean score of 85. Easy, right? Next up, the median. The median is the middle value when your numbers are arranged in order. If you have the numbers 3, 5 and 7, the median is 5. If there's an even number of values, you take the average of the two middle numbers. So if you have 3, 5, 7 and 9, the median would be 5 plus 7 to 2, which equals 6. Lastly, let's talk about the mode. The mode is the number that appears most frequently in your data set. If your test scores are 80, 80, 85 and 90, the mode is 80 because it appears twice. Sometimes you might have no mode or more than one mode depending on your data. Now imagine a bell curve, or what's called a normal distribution. In a perfect world, the mean, median and mode all line up in the center of this curve. But in real life, data can be skewed. Understanding where these values lie helps you get a clearer picture of your data set. So, there you have it. Mean, median and mode demystified. These three measures of central tendency are your best friends when it comes to analyzing data. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more easy to understand content. See you next time.